If you like, let's prepare Turkish coffee for 4 persons at one go now. After putting coffee and sugar amounts for your taste in both reservoirs, bring the coffee sugar remaining buttons to appropriate positions and place the cooking reservoirs on the machine. Your product will not operate if the cooking reservoir is not placed in its seating properly. Press the cooking button on the front panel for either 1 or 2 persons according to the amount of the coffee to be made. The machine will give an audible startup signal and the mode LED will light in blue. Cooking time for 1 person is 1.5 to 2 minutes and 2.5 to 3.5 minutes for 2 persons. Cooking time may be shorter in consecutive cooking of your product as the heater will be hotter. Your machine will give an audible alarm and the station mode light will flash blue upon completion of the cooking process. If you do not take out the reservoir after completion of the cooking process, mode light will continue flashing intermittently and keep on giving an audible signal every 5 seconds. The coffee is poured quickly as appropriate into the cup to prevent the foam and coffee grounds remain in the cooking reservoir.